where you get your learning opportunity matters. You can have a shitty PhD advisor and you don't learn anything, or you can have a bad startup and not learn anything, right? Just by being there doesn't mean anything. So you can have a great learning experience during your PhD or likewise at a company as well. As long as there are mentors, there are learning opportunities, there are these setups that help you improve. In a startup, if you just go the first analytics person, you don't know how to approach, how to set things up, that may not help you.
My point of view, and I'll put it out loud if you are going to promise me not to put that on the reel. So, just to take a cue from what Sarthi was saying, right? I genuinely do believe that with your AI models becoming much more powerful because it's getting that much more data to work on, the traditional expectation of what an analyst does today is going to be under question, and it is going to definitely have an impact. No doubt about it. And it's not said in the point of view of, oh, the world is ending, because what you are doing as analytics in 2010 versus what you're doing as analytics in 2024 is very, very different. Yes. But it's just that right now you've been in a place where it's kind of growing and it's more expanding. Earlier, reporting was a very separate thing. That was ERP. That was not analytics. Today, reporting is part of analytics.
The scary thing to me that looks like is if you combine General Dynamics with OpenAI, General Dynamics with all the actuators and the motors and the robotic dog with a gun, with these models, that is dangerous. That should not happen. As long as that doesn't happen, then I think this is sort of a suite of productivity tools that is coming in, that is making us as human race more efficient. So we will do something else. We were hunter-gatherers before. We will have to figure out. Like the .com burst opened up so many jobs, Java, this, that. During our PhD, we were trained to there would be trainings on how to build a presentation, how to present. And my advisor would tell me, you need to have a takeaway on every slide. Why is it that you are showing? The audience is doing you a favor. To just extend his point, they are doing you a favor. Why should they sit through just understand the most boring thing that they can do in a day? What's in it for them, right? So every slide should have that, and that's the storytelling part of it. That what is the key takeaway that needs to be there in every aspect, analytics and data story for sure.
SQL or Python?
Heart says SQL.
Business intelligence.
It's data plus scale.
That's scale.
P-value.
Depends on the interpretation of the presenter.
That's nice.
I don't want to grill you much.
To sell is human. Even if you're trying to make your kids do something, you are selling that idea. So that kind of a construct. So it was sort of a very different perspective of looking at things.
Noting it down to order immediately.
Yeah, to sell is human.